Hi and welcome to SiteManager.io. I'm Alex and today I will be showing you how to create a page section with a page component from libraries. Libraries are one of the most loved features in SiteManager. They limit repetitive work and speed up your web design workflow. Content on a page is structured in page sections. In SiteManager, you create page sections with components. In this video, we will first install a library component to your project, then we will use the installed component to build a page section. How to install a component from a library. Click on the blue plus icon between two content sections. You now have three options: design component, code your own, and choose from library. Select Choose from library. There are two types of libraries, the platform library and private libraries. The platform library is a collection of components created and managed by SiteManager. A private library is a collection of custom components created by you or someone else in your team. They are safe to reuse in other projects or to create a variant of the component in the same project. In this case, we will install a component from the platform library. These are components created and managed by SiteManager. Libraries are default disabled for content editors and edge clients. They will only have access to the installed components. Click Platform Library. As you notice, components are grouped in categories. Select the category Quotes and Testimonials. Navigate to Quote with Image and click Install. How to use the installed component to create a page section. Select the installed component to add it on the page. This triggers a right side panel to open. In this form, you can edit the quote text and images of your section. Click Save and close the side panel. Your section is now added to the page. I hope you enjoyed this video and hear you next time.